Hi, I'm Rob Snyder from Carlisle HVAC. I'm National Service Manager. And today we're at the Grip Nail production facility, and we're going to be going over the 7005 HS PowerPinner. The HS stands for high speed. And what makes this high speed is a high output transformer which runs off of 220 single phase, automated feeder bowl, simple incoming air feed, and this machine will do 83 pins per minute, which is very high speed in the industry. Now let's talk about what makes all these things happen and gives the machine this type of speed. You have the drive cylinder, you have the weld connections, which are easily accessible and to work on. You have your load cylinder, which is a double acting load cylinder. It's air in, air out. That takes care of all, there are no jam ups on this machine. Then everything comes down at the bottom and you get your weld cycle, which is very fast. The next, we're going to look at the control box. This is our electrical box. All components are in this one box, which makes it nice. It's sealed to protect all the components from the elements in the shop. It is controlled by a PLC, a programmable logic controller. It handles all the functions, so it knows what it's supposed to do and when to do it. This is your weld settings. There's 4 settings, and when you set that, the PLC takes over. It takes it out of the hands of the operator. The machine knows how long it has to be down to weld that pin. This is your continuous mode. It has 2 modes, continuous and normal mode. Your continuous is for fittings. You step on the foot pedal, it'll just keep doing a repetitive cycle. This is your incoming power, which is always good to know. This is your vibrator control for your feeder base, so that's adjustable. This is your main disconnect for it. So this is the heart of the machine, the electrical box. This is the 7005 HS, and this is the machine you get when you've been making machines as long as Grip Nail has. This is the bread and butter of any shop. So if you want to see more or learn more about this machine, see the description below. Thanks for watching.